Will knows you have a crush on him.
He does.
Everyone does. Will's just a nice guy to tell you he's not interested. Not that you can take a hint. I mean, hello? He's going to homecoming with me. He threw a party and didn't invite you. You're just embarrassing him. You're just embarrassing yourself.
Okay, I understand. And, when you see Will again, can you tell him that I never want to talk to him again? I'll give him a message.
Layla. 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 Layla.
Have fun with Glenn.
You deserve each other. You really suck! What?
I don't think so.
What did you say to Layla?
Nothing.
I just told her the truth.
You're a hero, she's a sidekick. She's holding you back.
What? Why would you do that? Layla's been my best friend since first grade.
Well, you've got new friends now. And I think that you need to figure out whether you want to hang with us or one of those losers.
Come on, let's go. Oh, forget it. I'm not going anywhere with you. Not now, or not the homecoming. Might as well just find yourself a new date, Gwen.
You're dumping me? Whoa. Let's get something straight, okay? You do not dump me! Not the night before the dance.
Sorry, Gwen. I, just did. You're done. That's it. Everyone out! Party's over! Don't stop.
Jesse last night.
Your father invited her up for 2 hours and you throw a party?
Unbelievable.
Lesser matter.
When I reach the count of 3...
Son, I'm only going to ask you this.
Dad, I swear I didn't plan this.
Alright, good enough for me.
Steve, I've got half a mind not to let him go to homecoming.
Fine, I'm not going anyway.
Whoa. Your mom said she had half a mind. Well, you have to go to the homecoming dance. We all have to, because we're introducing the world to the Stronghold 3. Greatest family of superheroes mankind has ever known.
Did something happen, Will?
I'm gonna talk about it.
Well, we're gonna talk about it, because we promised Gwen we'd go to the dance. And when a Stronghold makes a promise, son, that promise is kept.
I promise you that I'm not going.
Well, this sucks.